Now it's your turn to have a go. So here, given two options here, would you take option one where you must get a purple? So you've got a spinner here. You're going to spin it, and it spins around, and it randomly lands on one side. Would you so would you take option one where you have to get a purple, or option two where you spin this spinner, and then you spin this spinner, and then well, all you have to do is just get the same color. So it could be white and a white, that's a good outcome. Purple and a purple, that's a good outcome. Purple, white, bad outcome. Okay, so which option's easier to do? You have to get a purple or just getting the same color. So think about this. So in effect, you're really working out the probability of getting a purple here, and then over here you're working out the probability of getting same. Okay, so well, anyway, do whatever you have to do. You could use a table diagram, but but it's not very good. Try to learn to use the tree diagram. So with this option here, try to use the tree diagram. It's just learn to use it for the time being, because it's a lot more useful than the table diagram. Okay, so anyway, answer this question, press pause and have a go. Okay, option one. So the probability of getting a purple with option one is 0.5. Okay, probability of purple equals 0.5. Okay, the hard part is option two. Option two. So draw the tree diagram. So let's say you start here. You're going to spin the first spinner. You could get a white or a purple. Okay, a white or a purple. Okay, and then suppose you get a white one. Then you spin it. Well, when you spin it, you could get you could get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could get a white here, and then a purple, and then a purple, and then a purple. But what we're going to do is we're going to merge these three together, and we're going to merge these two together. Okay, so hang on, let me just clear this up. So we're going to merge those two together. So it looks like this. So when you're here, this is your starting point. You spin the spinner here. You could get a white or a purple, but then on your second spinner, just do this. It's a lot easier. You could get a white or a purple. So the purple would be 3 out of 5. The white would be 2 out of 5. Yeah. So earlier we had that thing where, well, we had 5 branches, and then we merge these two together. So that gives us 2 out of 5. Merge these two. It just looks simpler. Now suppose, all right, let's go back to the beginning here, and then you spin the first spinner. Now let's say you get a purple, and then you come to spin your second spinner. So it will look like this. White and purple again. So here it would be 2 over 5, and purple would be 3 out of 5. And this one here is a half and a half. Okay. So we want to know the probability of the same. Well, probability of the same. So we need probability of white and white. So basically we need this branch here. Okay. So that will be a half times, because we need to get a white and a white. So and when there's an and, we got to times. So it looks like this. Okay. So this becomes 2 over 10. Okay. So the probability of you getting white and a white is really a fifth. Okay, or 2 out of 10. So but we also need, well, this is another good outcome here. Probability of purple and purple. Okay, so this will be, well, we need to go down this branch here, purple and a purple. So we need this, and means we times, so times this. So basically, when you get a whole branch, times a whole branch. 3 over 5, so that becomes 3 over 10. Okay, so now so the probability of same same equals this branch here or this branch here, because in effect this tree diagram is really a map of all the possible routes that we could take. Well, when you spin two spinners, you could head down this route or this route. So we need to add these two together because we need this route or this route here. So let's add the two together. So it will be 2 out of 2 out of 10, which is this one here. Okay, and then we've got to add it to this one here. So add 3 out of 10. So that becomes 5 out of 10. So that will simplify that. So the probability of getting the same would be 1 out of 2, because we're dividing top and bottom by 5. Okay, so the probability of P of same is a half. So it turns out that it doesn't matter which option you choose to take. The probability of you getting a purple here, purple, equals 0.5, and the probability of you getting the same here is also 0.5. So it turns out that they're equally likely. Well, it doesn't matter which option you take. Okay. Okay.